We are natural conservationists. We don't kill these animals. We really respect them and we try to conserve them.
The Maasai have been coexisting with wild animals for a very long time. But as the population grows, that space for wildlife and space for cattle has become condensed. And so they're overlapping more and more.
My father generations, they believe if you have so many cows, you're wealthy.
Reason why the conflict is rising up in the Mara is because people now are fencing their land.
We're seeing that on the periphery of the Mara. People owning the land and saying, well, I'm going to put a fence around my piece of land. And that is actually having a real effect on the ability of wildlife to move.
So a conservancy in the Maasai Mara is a group of Maasai individuals who've come together and leased their land to tourism partners. And the tourism partners pay a lease rent to the owners of the land.
So you have a balance of, you have the wild animals as well as domestic animals and tourism and the local people all in the same area.
Mara North, one of the conservancies, has about 750 different landowners. People have clubbed together to form a conservancy out of them.
The idea is to make conservation as or more profitable to individual landowners compared to traditional farming.
Right now the youth are the big percentage in the Mara. And now people are educated. They know other ways they can get money rather than just using the cattle.
As conservancies build sort of gravity, as the younger generation start seeing more of the benefits of conservation, I believe that the trends in terms of cattle numbers are going to go down.
We still graze the cattle in the same area, but in a managed way. You need to have a herd that actually go well with the size of the land.
By managing and closing areas and opening areas, we're actually providing a nice mosaic of short and tall grasslands. And that undoubtedly increases the biodiversity.
They are leasing their land into the conservancy. They are getting monthly payment. And not only that, many people are employed inside the conservancy.
We had this land for many years, but we never had anything. But now we're getting something from wildlife.